Hello and welcome. Today we're going to have a look at using reverb buses or sends in Logic. There's several reasons for doing this. Firstly, it can help give you more control over groups of instruments, and secondly, it saves processing power by using one reverb for multiple tracks. So let's use this orchestral track from last week because it has multiple string instruments which we will probably want to treat with the same reverb. This is what they sound like to start with. Now, to have the reverb on a separate bus, we first need to create it. So go ahead and create auxiliary channel strip from the options drop down. Then set the input to be bus 20 or whatever you like and give it a name, like string reverb for me. I'm now going to put a reverb on this auxiliary track and choose the orchestral hall. Make sure the wet mix is at 100% because this channel is only going to capture the reverb, not the sound of the original instruments. We can now select all the string instruments by shift clicking and add a bus send to all of them at once. And increase the amount of signal that is sent to our new reverb channel. The great thing is you only have to set this up once, and I would suggest you save it as a template once you get the settings you like. I'll do that once more so you can see it again, this time with a guitar track. We'll create a new bus for our guitar reverb, add a reverb effect we like, making sure it's 100% wet. Now add that send to the guitar and increase its level. Job done. And that's it for today. Remember, you can add more effects and buses of your own. Go and have fun, play around. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this. See you in the next video. Bye for now.